In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an equation in Google Slides. Whether you're building a math lesson, a science presentation, or just need a clean equation on a slide, this walkthrough will show you an easy, reliable way to do it using a free add-on. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation. You can use an existing deck or create a brand new one if you're starting from scratch. Once your presentation is open, look to the top menu and click Extensions. From there, choose Add-ons, then click Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you can find tools that extend what slides can do. In the search bar, type Math Type or simply search for a math extension. Math Type is a popular option because it provides a full equation editor with symbols, fractions, exponents, and more. Select the Math Type result and begin the installation. Click Install, then Continue. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account, review the permissions the add-on needs to function, and click Allow. These permissions let the extension interact with your slides so it can insert the equations you create. When the installation finishes, return to the top menu and click Extensions again. You'll now see Math Type listed. Hover over it and click Open Math Type. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen with the equation editor. This is your workspace for building math expressions that look professional and consistent across your slides. Use the toolbar in the panel to insert elements like fractions, square roots, superscripts, subscripts, Greek letters, and common operators. You can click symbols to add them or type directly into the editor if you prefer. Take a moment to format everything clearly. Spacing, parentheses, and alignment matter for readability. If your equation has multiple parts, build it step by step to avoid mistakes, and preview it as you go so it matches exactly what you need. When you're happy with your equation, click Insert at the top of the Math Type panel. The equation will appear on your slide as a single object, so it's easy to move and position. If you need to adjust the size, drag the corners to scale it up or down while keeping it proportional. Place it where it makes the most sense in your layout, whether that's centered on a title slide or aligned beside your text. Your equation is now part of your Google Slides presentation. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.